After downloading your own subtitle in SRT format from YouTube, you can convert it into CSV format by using Premiere Pro. So open a blank Premiere Pro project and then you can drag and drop the subtitle onto the timeline. Then Premiere Pro would create a new track with your subtitle. Now, if you go to the text panel and then select captions and then select the subtitle in the timeline, you could see Premiere Pro wasn't able to identify the timestamps. To fix it, first make a copy of your subtitle and then open it using Notepad. And then here you could see the problem, which is multiple lines per block of timestamp, which is how it appears on YouTube. But Premiere Pro only recognizes lines in the same line. So make each timestamp into just one line as shown in here and then close it so that it would automatically save. After deleting the previous subtitle, you should get a blank timeline. And now again, simply drag and drop the newly formatted subtitle onto the timeline. And this time you could see in the text panel captions that Premiere Pro has correctly identified the timestamps. Click on the three dots, hover your cursor over export and then select export to CSV file. You can give it a new file name and then click on save. And now if you would open the converted CSV file, which can be opened using Excel, you could see it was converted successfully.